In this video, in 3 minutes, I'm going to share with you how to replace the broken fog light on your Volvo. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you're first time to the channel, please subscribe, click that notification bell and you won't miss any videos. Let's get started. As you can see, this is a used replacement part, but it looks like a new compared to that broken one. And yeah, I have my vehicles already on the ramps and my rear tires, they're locked. Make sure vehicle won't roll back, and I also put emergency brake on. Okay, that's first what we have to do. And yeah, I have a plywood on the ground that will make everything more comfortable. Alright, first we have to remove the cover shield. There's a plastic triangular plate covering that area, and we're using a hex socket. There's one screw to remove that guy. Yeah, if you have any questions, please put them down in the comment section below and I would like to answer them much as I can. Yeah, pull that part out. There's sort of like a slot holding that plastic cover to the bumper, and you pull it back, it will come out. Okay, you got that out, and now we have to disconnect the electrical connector as well, but first we'll go and disconnect cut that zip tie. Actually there's a 10mm bolt should be, but that one is broken, and we have to drop that front part of the plastic cover. Now we're going to disconnect the electrical connector to the fog lamp. Undo that, just press that metal clip in and pull it out. Okay, here we go. There is a used, aka our new one for replacement, and it came with a wiring harness. We don't need that, and as you can see, only 3 mounting points. There's 3 screws holding that, and we're going to use that just a simple hex wrench. Okay, and yeah, remove those 3 bolts. They're pretty easy, and then you can pull that fog light out. Yeah, and on Volvos, most of the repairs are pretty much straightforward, good engineering. And here we go, that's old one is out, and I will keep it because it still works and might need it, that bulb later. That's our new one we're putting. The same way we removed, we're just putting new one in, and 3 screws. Let's put those ones back in place, and yeah, more interesting Volvo videos are coming up. And as you can see, you can adjust the angle of your fog lights, and also make sure your breather tube is clean, there's no any dirt inside, and connect your electrical connector. Make sure to click and it's in place, and yeah, that one still works. Looks a little faded, and this one is like a new. Alright, before we'll put all those plastic covers back, let's turn the key to the on position and check our fog lights. Make sure they both work. Okay, key is on, and press that fog light on button and see what we have. Here you go, light is on, fog lights, they're both working. Guys, thank you so much, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.